experiencers, this is SB Travel. Welcome to my channel. I'm an experience creator and together we are discovering Singapore, famous places and unknown places. And today we are at the ArtScience Museum. You know why? Because the weather in Singapore is very unpredictable, so it's good to have a plan B inside, indoor, in case you cannot do any outdoor activity. I hope this is a good museum. If you like this video, like and comment. Let's go! They have some machine where you can purchase the ticket, so it's very simple. I mean, it's Singapore, everything is like automated. So today there's different exhibition. You have TeamLab, Future World, Another World is Possible, and then I think that's it. Like there's 3 exhibitions in this science. Today we're just gonna go do one together, and I think we're gonna go for TeamLab, Future World, and the price is $35 per person. Today we are doing the TeamLab Future World exhibition in the ArtScience Museum, and you need to know that during the weekday, so Monday to Thursday, it is less expensive. We paid $28 per person, and on the weekend it is more expensive. It's going to be $32 per person, so if you have some time during the week, it's perfect for you. Hello, hi.
TeamLab transforms viewers into active participants, blurring the lines between art and viewers through constantly evolving artworks.
Hello. Wow. This makes me think about Immersive Lab in New York. Je suis prête. Inside the art museum, you can go in this small room and you can actually have a little drawing. So this is a meduse, I don't know how you say it in English, and this is like a shark, and you can color them, and then you see what I have behind me over there is going to be the result. So they're going to scan the drawing and then put it there. So let's see what I can create. Beep beep. Sorry. Thank you. That's no. Mais attends, il y a un poisson qui l'a. Petit cœur. That's my angel jellyfish. Attends, je crois qu'il se passe des... Ça c'est coupé en plein petits œufs. Je fais du Mario là. Mais another activity that we're gonna do is sculpting a plane. You can see there's some line here, and then we're gonna make it fly all the way there. Okay, I hope I'm gonna succeed. Let's see. I am now ready to make this fly. Wow! Prête? 1, 2, 3. Ouais! And now I'm gonna draw a butterfly. I love butterflies. And then it's gonna end up just right here. Arrête, il est grave design, le butterfly. On veut pas du bleu là les gars, mettez de la lumière. Oh. This is the end of the exposition TeamLab World Future at the ArtScience Museum, Singapore. I actually had a really good time. It's a very good activity to do when it's raining in Singapore, and you know it's a very kid-friendly activity, so with friends or family it's perfect. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth it. You should try it. It was very interactive, a lot of game, a lot of activities to do inside. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye experiencers!